Come test drive the 2020 Colorado. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote keyless entry, daytime running lamps, rear-wheel drive, traction control. Inside you'll find cruise control, console, floor mats, great hauling capability, powerful, rugged, and a great Chevy price. Colorado is it. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.